Assalamu alaikum class, this is Warda here again with another letter and another set of activities for the PGs. So as always, let's start the lesson with Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, and we are going to start with the poem first of all. So it is: Petty was an old penguin. Petty had short legs. Petty had one tail, and Petty had black-white fur. Petty is cute and Petty is your friend. Now you also need to recognize what he is talking about and कौन सा animal है ये. Petty was an old penguin, so it's a penguin. Petty had short legs. Petty had one tail. Petty has black and white fur, and Petty is cute and Petty is your friend. Okay, now after that I have some objects on the screen that you people need to recognize, so here they are. Okay, so first of all we have this picture, the next is this, and the last one is a fruit. So the first one is something that you people need to tell me कि ये है क्या. It's a paw. The next one is, it's a panda. It's a cutest animal. And this one is a fruit that is pear. So I am going to tell you the name with the spellings and the sound. It's paw, p, panda, p, pear. One more time. P, paw, p, panda, p, pear. Great. Now I am going to tell a story, and the story is Salman's father was a pilot in Pakistan International Airline. He used to travel a lot. Every time he went on a trip, he would bring toys or gifts for Salman and his sister. So यहाँ पे वो कह रहा है कि सलमान के फादर एक पायलट थे, कहाँ पे, पाकिस्तान इंटरनेशनल एयरलाइन में, और वो जब भी सफ़र करते थे वो बहुत सारे गिफ्ट लाते थे सलमान और उसकी बहन के लिए. This time when his father was flying for Kashmir, he asked for a parrot. इस दफ़ा वो कश्मीर जब उन्होंने जाना था तो सलमान ने उनसे तोते का कहा, यानी एक पैरट का. His sister asked for a pink and purple dress. Salman's father promised both of them that he will bring them what they have asked for. The day had arrived after a long wait of 2 weeks. The children were very excited for father to come back home with their gifts. When he arrived and stepped out of the car, both of them rushed towards him and hugged him tightly. Salman's father opened the car trunk and took out a cage with a lovely green parrot he brought for Salman from Kashmir. He told Salman that the parrot loved to eat popcorn and pineapple. For Salman's sister, he brought a lovely Kashmiri dress of pink and purple color. She was really very happy to see her lovely Kashmiri dress. Salman's mother had made yummy pastries and pasta for dinner. The children were very happy to have what they asked for, and both of them said, "Thank you, Abba." Now I'm going to translate in Urdu as well for you people. So इस दफ़ा जब वो कश्मीर ट्रैवल कर रहे थे तो सलमान ने उनसे एक पैरट का कहा, और उनकी जो बहन थी सलमान की, शी आस्क्ड फॉर अ पिंक एंड पर्पल ड्रेस, यानी एक पिंक और पर्पल ड्रेस का कहा. सो सलमान और उसके जो बहन थी उन्होंने अपने अब्बा का बहुत इंतज़ार किया कि वो वापस आए, और जब वापस आए तो उन्होंने कार के ट्रंक से पैरट निकाला, यानी केज विद अ लवली ग्रीन पैरट, पिंजरा निकाला जिसमें एक पैरट था बहुत प्यारा सा, जो कि उन्होंने सलमान से लिया था कश्मीर से, और उन्होंने सलमान की बहन से के लिए लेके आया पिंक और पर्पल ड्रेस. सलमान का जो तोता था, ही लव्ड टू ईट पॉपकॉर्न एंड पाइनएप्पल, यानी उसको पाइनएप्पल और पॉपकॉर्न खाना पसंद थे. बोथ ऑफ देम वर वेरी हैप्पी टू गेट देयर गिफ्ट्स, एंड दैट वाज अ स्टोरी विद द साउंड प. So we have frequently used found प मैंने आपको ट्रांसलेट करके भी बताई ताकि आपको आइडिया हो कि हम क्या बात कर रहे हैं. Now I have a couple of objects again on the screen. So the first one is what is it? ये तो हम बहुत यूज करते हैं. And it's a vegetable. And the third one is the animal जिसकी हमने poem पढ़ी है. So it's a pencil, and then a potato, and then a penguin. I'm going to repeat it. Pencil, potato, penguin. One more time. It's pencil, potato, penguin. So these are the words, a few words that I have showed you people that begins with the sound p. Now moving on, we have learned the letter p. ये वो लेटर है जिसका साउंड है p. So हम इसको लिखते कैसे हैं कि first of all we made a straight line and then उसकी टिप की बजाय नीचे से हम एक सेमी सर्कल ड्रॉ करेंगे. So it will become a p. Moving on, we have a few of activities as well. So the activity that I have made is for the pizza. So it is this. I have very roughly made it as it's a playgroup activity. So it will be better कि playgroup इसको खुद से perform करें with the help of course. लेकिन अच्छा होगा कि अगर वो खुद से ज़्यादा effort put करें. So just draw them a hollow P. और इसके अंदर you just need to color. You can also take a कलर पेपर और चार्ट पेपर एज वेल. मैंने ज़्यादा इजी रखने के लिए वाइट पेपर लिया, उसको क्रेयॉन से कलर किया या पेंट करें. उसके अंदर आप ड्रॉ भी कर सकते हैं. मैंने पेस्ट कर दिए डिफरेंट चीज़ें. सो यू कैन डू इट. यू कैन ऐड एज मेनी थिंग्स एज यू कैन टू मेक पिज़्ज़ा मोर यमी. उसके अलावा वी हैव दिस पीकॉक एक्टिविटी एज वेल. दिस इज़ रियली अ ब्यूटिफुल एक्टिविटी. यू कैन डू इट एट होम एज वेल. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू हाउ टू राइट डाउन द पी ऑन योर वर्कबुक्स. So with the help of the pencil, we are going to first make a straight line and then a semicircle from the tip. इसके हाथ से हम इसके टिप से नहीं जाएंगे, हम थोड़ा सा नीचे से शुरू करेंगे. Like here as well. Write it down on your workbook and repeat the sound p. Here. Okay. And one more thing that you need to do, जो कि मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ कि you need to find out as many things with the sound. जैसे लास्ट हमने O किया था तो I ask you to find out the objects with the sound O in your surrounding. अब similarly P में भी आप लोग अपने घर में, अपने क्लास में, गार्डन में, हर जगह पे वो चीज़ें कलेक्ट कर सकते हैं या देख सकते हैं जो कि प से स्टार्ट होती हैं. So that was the lesson for today. We have done the activity for the penguin. Peacock activity है you can do. For the practice of writing you need to do at workbook. And for the more practice you need to find out as many objects as you can from the sound p. Thank you so much for today. Allah Hafiz.